The following is a paid commercial program paid for by Restoration Health. The opinions and views expressed in this program belong to its sponsors and are not those of this station or their affiliates or their employees.
Dr. Keith Beachy from Restoration Health is here to talk more about neuropathy and how you can get relief from this condition. Dr. Beachy, let's talk about the treatment process that you guys have for neuropathy at Restoration Health. How do you all treat this situation?
It's a great question. So before we can even talk about treatments, we have to do an initial evaluation on a patient to determine the severity of their nerve loss or their nerve damage. So there's not a cookie cutter approach or a one size fits all treatment plan when it comes to neuropathy. Every plan in our office is specifically tailored to each individual patient to ensure that we're going to get optimal results without having to use drugs, injections, or surgeries.
So can you tell us about the types of procedures that may be used for the hands or feet?
Yes, so one of my favorite treatments that we use that our patients get great results with is called low-level light therapy. This is one of the most advanced, state-of-the-art treatments that's even available for neuropathy, and it focuses on producing electrical cell signals and sends those throughout the nervous system and to the brain. And so it's really going to help accelerate the body's ability to regenerate nerves and start to repair the damage that we talk about. And so this process, it takes time. And so the treatments they're painless. You know, they're FDA cleared, and a lot of neuropathy patients, they don't have a whole lot of feeling in the affected areas anyways. But once we start the treatments, they start to get that feeling back, and that's a clear sign that the treatments are actually working for them.
And so obviously this is a procedure or something that they have done in your clinic. Okay, yeah. So how long does it, I know everyone's different, but how long does it take typically to see results?
Yeah, so we've mentioned that before, everyone is different. And really it depends on the amount of nerve damage or nerve loss someone has to start off with. So the first step is really to be evaluated at a clinic like ours to determine what the extent is. It's really important that people don't procrastinate on this though, because once somebody reaches that 80% nerve loss, it becomes much more difficult to start to treat and reverse. We've had patients in the past that have waited too long, and that results in them becoming confined to a walker or a wheelchair and really affecting their quality of life. So it's super important that people don't wait too long before it's too late.
I could imagine, as with any physical, or sometimes you just think, oh, I'll just get over it, or it'll go away, and then not so much. So don't wait on it. Okay, so you've got a $49 neuropathy special for our viewers. Tell us about that.
Sure. So that includes a detailed consultation, a very thorough neuropathy exam, as well as a report of findings. The exam process that we do at Restoration Health is so thorough that we can calculate down to the exact percentage how much sensory loss a person has in their hands and feet. Then we do what we call a report of findings with that patient and maybe a loved one of theirs to go over those findings with them and go over objective measurements that are based on their health so that they can make a health decision based on those things.
Restoration Health has a unique you don't have a wait list, really. You have a unique situation where someone is watching and they want to call. They can be seen relatively quickly, right?
Absolutely. We have staff ready to meet the specific needs and treatments for every single patient. Really, they just need to give us a call and get scheduled for time to come in and see us.
Okay, awesome. Thank you, Dr. Beachy. If you're someone you know suffers from chronic pain or neuropathy, you can call that number on your screen. Call now for that $49 neuropathy special, and it's for the first 25 callers, so you better get the phone now. Call 501-400-7700.
Hi, I'm Dr. Keith Beachy. Neuropathy can be a debilitating condition, but there is hope. There are some very unique treatments that we employ at Restoration Health that can actually heal these nerve pathways that we're talking about and basically restore these nerves back to normal. Call our offices today to see if we can help you.